Hey there, tech enthusiasts and Dyson owners. If you're staring at your Dyson vacuum or fan blinking that annoying blue light and wondering what's going on, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into how to fix Dyson blinking blue light in 2025. This issue is more common than you think, often signaling something simple like a low battery or a minor glitch, but don't worry, we'll get it sorted step by step. First off, let's understand what that blinking blue light means. On most Dyson models, it could indicate the device is charging, but if it's persistent, it might point to problems like a faulty battery, blocked filters, or even a software hiccup. Before you panic, grab your Dyson and let's troubleshoot. Step 1. Check the basics. Ensure your Dyson is properly plugged in and charging. Sometimes, a loose connection is the culprit. If it's a cordless model, try removing and reinserting the battery for a secure fit. Give it a few minutes to see if the light stops blinking. Next, clean your device. Dust and debris can trigger errors. For vacuums, remove the filter and wash it under warm water, then let it dry completely for at least 24 hours. Don't forget to clear any blockages in the brush rolls or airways. This simple maintenance often resolves the issue and keeps your Dyson running smoothly. If that doesn't work, it's time for a reset. Turn off your Dyson, unplug it, and hold the power button for about 10 seconds. Plug it back in and power it up, voila! This can clear temporary glitches. For newer models with smart features, check the Dyson app for any updates or error codes. Lastly, if the problem persists, it might be a hardware issue. Contact Dyson support. They're usually super helpful and can guide you through warranty claims or repairs. Remember, always handle your device with care to avoid accidents. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you should have your Dyson back to its powerful, blinking-free self. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech fixes. Stay charged and see you next time.